Selection tools are in the Pick tab of the palette. Use specific pick tools to select or unselect different types of geometry or control entities. Use the Pick Component tool to select different geometry types or components. For example, curves, surfaces, meshes. Or set the Pick Component tool to select one or more specific geometry types. You can also select these individual geometry types using the marking menu. To unselect, use the Pick Nothing tool in the palette or in the marking menu. Similar to selecting components, you can also select different control entities, for example, edit points, control vertices, locators. For every control entity you use a specific pick tool. Here I'm selecting an edit point, now a CV, a hull, and a locator. Some of the pick tools for control entities are available in the marking menu too. This is customizable. Any type of component is an object. A group formed with more than one of any of these components is also an object. Use the Pick Object tool to pick objects. After your first selection, your next selection is added to the selection group. Click on a selection to toggle the selection state. If two objects are co-located or appear to be overlapping from your view angle, the Pick Chooser displays listing the overlapping objects. Choose the one you want to select from the Pick Chooser. By default, you can select an object by clicking on a face. This pick behavior depends on selection options. You can work with Closest Selection, which will always select the closest face from in your view direction, or you can work with Select Through, which allows you to select multiple faces through the closest face. You can also customize your mouse buttons to make selection more efficient. Along with Click Select, you can also drag select. When you drag, a drag box is created. Any object coming entirely or partially within the drag box becomes selected. You can select in the work area, or you can select in the object lister. Selection in either will be reflected in the other. In the object lister, Shift or Control-click to select more than one component.